Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of Edupom EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Vedi, and the topic for the video is today we are going to read about news report writing. Okay. Now how is this done? How is news report writing done? Before understanding about the format of writing, let's understand that what is the use of news report. What is the purpose of a news report? See, news report is basically published in the newspapers. Okay, if you do have a habit of reading on the newspapers, whatever the news which you get is published in the news report format. Okay, now what are the things they keep in mind? First of all, it is very much necessary that the facts that you must get your facts right. Okay, the facts should be very much true. It shouldn't be like any form of rumors or myths or misconceptions. It is very much important that the source of information is verified. The news and everything, the news and the words, the dates, the location, okay, the place, location, everything specified is true. Okay, so it is very much important that you are cross checking the source of information and you are making sure that the facts given, the facts mentioned are true. Okay, then the news report which you come across through are basically they talk about either talk about past events or they talk about the events yet to occur or which comes in future. Okay, which occurs in future, which can occur in future. Okay, so either they would talk about past events or the events which will occur in future. Okay, now let's understand the format of news report writing. Okay, or newspaper writing. So what are the format, or you can say what are the main features of reports? See, first of all, always remember that a news report should have a headline, okay, or date, or you can say place of origin, okay, place of origin of the news. Okay, so as I already mentioned that you must verify the source of information, and information should be that you must place the date should be right. Okay, the place of origin of the news, wherever the news is from, the place, the location should be perfect, it should be verified, it should be 100% correct. Okay, the second feature is that it must contain the name of the reporter. Okay, so it is very much important that you specify the reporter's name. Also, it must contain only relevant information. You do not have to put up your opinions or ideas. Okay, you have to make sure that you just stick to the relevant information, the purpose information. Do not have to elaborate it by adding anything else. Okay, just make sure that you are not adding anything else other than the relevant and the source information. Okay, the next one is that a newspaper report always should follow an appropriate language. Okay, a news report should have an appropriate language. Okay, the next is it must contain a logical development of ideas. Like even if you want to put up any ideas or opinions, it should be very much with logic. There should be ideas, or either you can discuss about the causes, okay, or reasons, or you can talk about significances or after effects or consequences or results, whatever. Okay, so it can contain or it must include, okay, a logical development of ideas, that is either you can specify the causes or reasons or significance or effects or consequences. The next one is that it must include the opinions of people. It must include, make sure the people's opinions is included, and the writing format is a comprehensive one. Okay. Must contain view of all sides, and it should be unbiased. You do not have to support any one form of people, any one form of community or people. Rather, the views should be very much unbiased, and it should come from all these sides of what people think about it. Okay, people and the opinion and ideas of the people or mass is like very much important here. Okay, so whenever you are specifying this or opinions of people is given, you must take care that it should be a comprehensive writing, and it must contain views of all sides. It should be unbiased. Okay. Also remember that you are avoiding the use of personal pronouns, means use of the first person, second person or third person, like use of I or me or they, okay, or you. These kinds of pronouns, that is basically personal pronouns, means first person, second person, third person, should be avoided. You can use words like people or anything, but just make sure you're not making use of personal pronouns, means I, you, me, they. You shouldn't get like very much personal. It is very much confusing, and it is very much important for the writer to make sure that the use of personal pronouns is strictly prohibited. Okay. Also make sure you are using reported speech form, or you can say you are using a passive form while writing a news report. Okay. Also, this is a fun fact. I guess most of the people know about this, but if you don't know, I am letting you know one thing, that is, I am about to discuss one thing, that is like जो भी न्यूज़पेपर हमारे घर आता है, लाइक द न्यूज़पेपर विच वी आर वेटिंग फॉर विच विल कम इन द मॉर्निंग, कि आज सुबह में पढ़ेंगे आज का न्यूज़ क्या, आज का न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ेंगे. लाइक हमारे घर में जो बड़े लोग होते हैं, सीनियर्स होते हैं, जो ओल्ड होते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे मतलब दादा दादी, नाना नानी एंड मम्मी पापा, ये सब क्या वेट करते हैं, ये सारे लोग वेट करते हैं कि न्यूज़पेपर आएगा तो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, राइट. सो ये जो न्यूज़ हम पढ़ते हैं, इट्स अ स्टेल न्यूज़. स्टेल मीन्स ये बासी न्यूज़ होता है. लाइक लेट्स से इफ़ टुडे इज़ 1 मई, ओके, तो जो न्यूज़पेपर आता है वो हमारे यहाँ आता है 2 मई को. तो ये जो आप 2 मई को न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं ना, वो 2 मई का न्यूज़ नहीं होता है, वो न्यूज़ 1 मई का होता है. एक दिन पुराना न्यूज़ हम पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ द फैक्ट बिहाइंड इट. तो इसलिए द न्यूज़ इज, मेक श्योर द न्यूज़ रिटन इज इन द पैसिव फॉर्म. That is why to avoid any kind of chances, what we do is we stick to a past tense or passive form or passive voice, okay, or we stick to the reported speech form, that is passive one. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about an example. Let's say if a question is given to you, the question says that you are Sandhya or Sohan, an active member of Animal Lovers Club which works for the welfare of animals by preventing cruelty to them. Okay, so here the name of reporter is specified, and also the designation, the organization which you belong to is also specified. Okay, now they are saying that you're an active member of Animal Lovers Club which works for the welfare of animals by preventing cruelty to them. Recently you visited Mahatma Gandhi Animal Care Home. You were pleasantly surprised to see good treatment given to animals. Write a report in 150 to 200 words on your visit. You may use some of the points. Okay, now see, now this is a question which is from CBSE compartment part 2018 question. Okay, now the question is asking you to write a news report. I have just used the question to show you an example. See, simply whenever they have made 2-3 things very much clear to you, they have specified the name of reporter, they have specified the location and the designation. Simply what you need to do is you have to make sure that you are choosing a catchy headline, a fitted headline. Okay, Once you have chosen the perfect headline, then specify the name of reporter and the location of the news. Okay, specify the name of reporter and location of the news, and also try to specify the date. Okay, that is like if you write it like if it is May 1st, then it will be in May 1st. It will be in this form. Okay, then start writing the news. Make sure everything which is put up here is a relevant info, is a purpose and relevant info. It is very much important that the facts which is being used here should be 100% right. Okay, so just stick to the purpose, just stick to the information. Don't put up your opinions and ideas. Make sure you're not making use of any kind of personal pronouns, and you are good to go. Okay, also make sure you do not have to, you have to stick to the information as much as you can, and do not have to make it much and much larger. Okay, depends upon what you're talking about, depends upon the topic and everything, whatever like let's say if you are talking about something which is like people's mudda, okay, and like which are opinions and ideas ki baat ho rahi, there you can put up people's opinions and all, but you have to specify, you have to talk about an organization or something like that, or any event which occurred in any part of the world. In that case, make sure the info is very much relevant and you are sticking towards, like you are talking about, like let's say that you are specifying a murder or something, a murder which happened at someone's place or something, then just stick to the relevant information that this day this happened, this day this happened, and this person was murdered, and what are the accusations. Talk about this and just make sure you are sticking to the information. You can also talk about what neighbors are saying, what people are saying, what their family and relatives are saying. Okay, so just make sure you are sticking towards the information and the facts are right. So this is a way of writing a news report. I hope it's helpful for you, and even if you are introduced towards newspaper writing or to write down a report, then this is very much I hope this will be very much helpful for you. Also, you can make good use of vocabulary, different kinds of vocabulary, or so that your news report can level up a bit. Okay, there are always a competition. You must have seen the different news channels post same kind of news, and different kinds of news. You can also see same kind of news in different kinds of newspapers. Okay, but the way of putting it on is very much different. So you can use the fancier words. You can level up your vocabulary, but just make sure you are not quoting any kind of information, and everything which you are putting up is relevant. Okay, so I hope it's helpful for you, and thank you.